Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about English vocabulary in general for any English learner, in particular for IELTS and TOEFL students, and the topic is music. As you know, I have covered more than 27 topics in my course, most common topics for IELTS and TOEFL students, in general for any English learner. So please open the playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description. Today we are going to discuss music. This is in order, so we are going to talk music. Please look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook group. Like, comment, share to encourage me, share with your other students, your colleagues, to help them, and subscribe and press the bell icon to get more free videos on grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading. Thank you. Pop music. Pop music is a noun. It is a type of music usually with a strong rhythm and simple tunes with that people enjoy listening and dancing. It is pop music. My father loves listening to pop music. The older generation doesn't like pop music. They like classical music. Pop music is modern music. Rock music is a music that with a heavy beat derived from rock and roll. This is rock music. Jazz is a music originally developed by African American and as a rhythm in which the strong notes often come before the beat. Okay, I don't like classical music, but I love jazz. I don't like classical music, but I love jazz. Opera. Opera mean a play with music in which all the words are sung. This is opera. Classical music. Classical music is a music that has a longer history and lasting value and is part of traditions of a particular area. John listens to a classical music for relaxation, and the pianist has a talented interpreter of classical music. No, we can say musical genre or music genre. I mean type of music. Rock, pop, classical, jazz. These are all genre of music. Okay. So when you are talking about music, instead of using simple words, use common and good academic words so that you can score higher. Musical genre, music genre. Use, for example, I love music. I love rock. That is a music genre famous among young people. Okay, something like that. Musical instrument. Musical instruments are the instruments that are used in music. For example, percussion instruments. Percussion that are, for example, drums. These are percussion instruments. Wind instruments are flute. For example, flute, flute. Flute. Spelling is very important of flute. And trumpet. These are wind instruments. And string instruments like guitar, violin and cello. Guitar and violin also very important for listening. So look at the spellings and if you can remember type of musical instrument. So use the before play plus name of any musical instrument. You need to use the before when you use play plus name of any musical instrument. Play, for example, playing the guitar, play the violin, play the piano. Instead of only saying play piano, play violin, you need to use the. This is the rule, English rule. Okay. John loves playing the guitar. Instead of only saying John loves guitar, John loves playing guitar, John loves playing the guitar. I used to play the piano, not only piano. I used to play the piano when I was a child. Conductor is a person who leads the orchestra. And what is orchestra? Is the who leader of the orchestra is called conductor. Orchestra is a large group of musicians who play many different instruments together and are led by a conductor. Okay. Musician is a person who plays a music A musical instrument is called musician. A pianist is someone who plays the piano is called pianist. Pianist is a person who plays the piano. Pianist is very important word for your listening, especially for your listening. Composer is someone who writes music. It's composer. Concert, everybody knows. You are all of my audience will be young, and everybody know what is a concert. I don't need to explain it. It is a public performance of music. We can say a pop concert, a live concert, a classical concert. To attend a concert, to go to a concert. The tickets for live concert on Saturday have already sold out. Enjoy, like, love, these are verbs and we can interchange them instead of only saying I like, as one place say I enjoy, I love, I like. This is called a variation of language. This will boost your score. Instead of learning these rare idioms or rare words, these will not boost your score. Okay, we can use these two words when talking about our hobbies or leisure time. Okay, I love classical music, I am fan of music, my favorite music is. These are also other word. Fan of music, favorite music. Performance, an act of entertaining other people by dancing, singing, acting, or playing classical music, playing music. We can say a live show, a live performance, a live concert. For example, when you are talking about music in your speaking, you can use all of these words. Okay, I went to a live show, there was a live performance, I love live concerts, something like that. Tone deaf. Tone deaf is an adjective. It means someone who is unable to hear the difference between musical tones and is unable to sing tunes accurately. Okay, I am tone deaf, but still I love singing. Okay, I cannot differentiate between musical tones and I am unable to sing tunes accurately, but Dr. J. still loves singing. He is tone deaf. Doctor, I am in reality I am tone deaf. Okay, album. Album is a noun. It means it is a collection of several pieces of music on the internet or on a CD. Is called album. A collection of several pieces of music on the internet or on CD is called album. Collocations we can use: release an album, release album, record album, online album. The band has recorded 6 studio albums. The band have recorded. No, band has recorded. It can be have because if you are talking about individual persons, if as one thing, then you can use has. Diana performed tracks from her new album. Catchy tune or song. Catchy tune, very good word you can use when talking about music, especially in your speaking. A tune or a song that is easy to remember and that you enjoy singing. Lyrics is words of a song. Melody. Melody is a noun. It means it is a quality of having a pleasant tune. It is a quality of having a pleasant tune. Pleasing or pleasing melody, bold melody, these are collocations. And we can say example sentences: most of her songs are full of melody. Okay, it means quality of having a pleasant tune. He played pleasing melodies. Jingle. Jingle is a noun. It means a short song or tune used in advertising and is easy to remember. It's called jingle. Toys are advertised with television commercials and a catchy jingle to attract children. Toys are advertised with television commercials and a catchy jingle to attract children. Harmony. Harmony is a noun. It means notes when different notes that are played are sung together and combined to make a pleasant sound. Harmony. This is called harmony. Her music is well known for its melody and harmony. For example, talk about your celebrity If your celebrity is a musician, you can say his music is full of melody and harmony. And if you're talking about your favorite music, and you can also talk about I love rock music, and my favorite musician is for example Shakira, and she is well known for its for his her melody and harmony. Okay, something like that. Instead of only saying a simple sentences, these will not boost your score. So use high level vocabulary. This is high level. If you do, if you think that you already know all of these words, but you are not using in your speaking or writing, so use them to score high more uh, scores. Rock band is a group of musicians that play rock music. Pop star is a famous singer or musician who performs pop music, is called pop star. Duet is when a song is two people sing a song. Okay, I like duet. Musical festival is when there is a festival that continues for a long time, for 1 day, 2 day, 3 days, and there are many musical contests. So please, if you have not subscribed to my channel still, subscribe, like, comment, share, press bell icon also if you can, and to get more videos on all of these courses, encourage me please with subscribe and press bell icon so I can make more videos. If not, I am sorry, I'm not going to make a record any more courses. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.